Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Tuesday, June 30th, last day of June. And we've got the hood mounted on here. It's not done, but it's on here. We got it bolted on. I'll post some pictures and stuff of us actually doing it so you can kind of see how we did it. But so far so good. I got some of the hood rubbers on. You can see them here. Now, this looks cloudy because, again, the ceiling, but out in the sun it looks incredible. But yeah, we're looking really good here, I think. And we do have the fender welting in here on the fender to the body. I mean, it's really starting to look like a car. Now, couple things just so we're on the same page. I still have to paint the grille. I have the grill sides, I've got all the pieces that go under and around, but the actual main grill and the structure are getting painted tomorrow. Either tonight or tomorrow. There's one piece that Ron made that goes kind of around here that needs, where the safety latch latches, it's off by an 1/8 inch. So we're just gonna hit it with the welder and just add a little 1/8 inch, grind that down to where the actual hood safety will latch, and then we'll paint both that piece and the grill with the structure, and it's all mounted to it already. That'll get painted here tomorrow or tonight, and then that can all be assembled. And when that happens, all of that center chunk can go in that you see here. Not good, but that whole center chunk will go in, and then we can put the headlights in. Like this headlight, the wiring kind of goes through here and connects over here. So we'll have to get the grill in, painted it in and installed, and then run the headlight wiring back and plug it in. So still waiting on the headlight rings, even though I really want to see what this is going to look like. But yeah, I've got a lot of cleaning to do. Got a lot of things. I got a couple things here I am going to install today. The trunk prop rod, gonna get that on. It turned out great. Looking really good there. Behind joints and everything, we're looking good. But really the biggie right now is this. Ron's running to the doctor real quick, and then we'll be cooking with hot grease. So stay tuned, guys. Lots more coming. I'm gonna be posting some shorts here in a minute about all of this, how we did the hood and everything else. Most of you are going to watch that anyway. If you're watching this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all of you. We are still waiting on running board covers. So running boards aren't on yet because the covers aren't here yet. They have shipped from Dennis Carpenter as of yesterday. So wherever Dennis Carpenter is, they're coming from there to Florida. So once I get them, I'll install them. I'll install the rubber mats on the running boards, and then the running boards will go on. Mirrors can go on today. What else can go on today? Mirrors, trunk rod, rear fender brackets. Nothing on the front because of what it is. And yeah, there's a bunch of other parts inside the house that I can start getting ready too. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.